Hey guys, this is Aaron Williams here with MarineMax in Clearwater. Today we're going to be going through the Sea Ray 370 Sundancer. Starting back here on the transom, as you can see, we have equipped this boat with 3 Mercury 300 horsepower engines. You do have a ton of space back here on the transom. You do have storage for your dock lines and fenders, and then your battery switches and hookups for the dock and shore power right inside of here, so easy access. We do have our pump out right back here as well, and then a freshwater shower back here. So coming forward, the transom seat is reversible, so you can have it down in the sun lounge position, or even as a backrest here, so you can be sitting up and watching everybody play at the sandbar. So coming into the cockpit of the 370 Sundancer, as you can see, there's tons of seating, storage underneath the seats, so all your items can go and be easily tucked away. We do have a nice convenience center up here, so you get a freshwater sink, refrigerator, and a grill. Pull out trash can, and a little storage drawer for cutlery. So moving forward, so as you can see here, this is the coupe version of the 370 Sundancer. So we have full enclosed glass sides, but the good thing is there is a sunroof, so you can let in some of that nice light, and vents on either side, port and starboard, and even a center vent here, so you still can get a lot of that fresh air. But on some of those colder or really hotter days, you can close everything up, let the AC run. So coming up to the helm of the 370 Sundancer, as you can see here, 2 large Simrad screens. We do have manual switches down here, but everything can be controlled directly through the Simrad screens with digital switching. And over here, you can see we do have the joystick piloting system and our Mercury throttles here, all electronic. So great place for the captain. Got air conditioned vents blowing right on you, but then even a nice vent up there, so you're still staying nice and cool. So moving forward, as you can see over here, we got a nice double wide seat with teak furnishings, so you can flip up the footrest there. And then this big door closes off, so when you want to really close it in and enjoy some of that AC. Right now it's open to bring us forward up to the bow. As you can see here, we have a huge sun lounge, big U-shaped seating, a table that goes in here so everybody can be hanging out and enjoying the nice fresh air. Alrighty, so welcome to the cabin of the 370 Sundancer. As you can see here, we have the forward V berth in its bed position. So cool thing about this is it actually turns into a couch. Push of a button. That comes down. Fold our cushion down. I have a little space up there for the little ones, and you have a nice seating area here. We do have a TV over here, and full AC inside here as well. So storage cabinet behind here, and we're gonna have a refrigerator, microwave, and a freshwater sink. So you can really overnight this boat. You've got all the amenities of home right inside of here. One of my favorite features of the 370 is it does have a really nice head. The shower is separated, so just a really nice accommodations inside of there. Moving back, as you can see here, we've got another seating area that does turn into a bed space. There is a separate TV and speaker system back there. As you can see right now, it's housing our isinglass enclosure. That's going to close off the back of the boat, really making this a really closed off boat back there, so you can really stay comfortable on those hot and cold days. All right, well, that's been the Sea Ray 370 Sundancer. Thank you for coming on this walkthrough with us. And if you want to see this boat in person, as always, come visit us at the MarineMax in Clearwater. Other than that, my name is Aaron Williams, and I hope to see you out on the open water.